everyone. My name is Imade, and I'm going to be walking us through the order processing flowchart I created for a business. Well, I also documented a clear SOP, which gave me clarity in creating this flowchart. But let's dive right into the flowchart while I explain everything there for you. So this is the flowchart I created for an order processing uh, business. So first of all, when a customer comes in or a customer makes a call, we start with greetings and making inquiries, which give birth to these two things here. Provide them with product and service information if the company has products and services they do offer. So you ask them if you can take their order. It goes from here to here, then here. Ask if you can take their order. Asking if you can take their order gives birth to what can I assist you with? Is it our products or our services? If you confirm it is products or services, you confirm the type of products or services that the customer wants. Then after that, the customer fills a form. After filling a form, the sales rep confirm product availability in the inventory system. After that, is the product available? If it is available, which is yes, you reserve the item in the system. But if it is not available, you offer alternative product to the customer. So when the customer accepts the alternative product, we come back to the question, is it available? Yes, it is available. That is why you offer alternative product to the customer. And then the next step is reserve the item in the system. After that, the customer makes payments. After making payments, you update the payment status in the system, and then after that, the next step is to get the product from the store and package accordingly. After that, the next step is the customer gets the item. After that, our next step is pick up or delivery. Is the customer making use? Is the customer picking up, or they are going to use their delivery services? So if it is delivery, you send it through the logistic team and you track it. After that, you the delivery personnel obtain a signed POD. But if it is pick up, you let the customer know that their order is ready or their product is ready. Then you hand over the product to the customer. So this process gives birth to another process, which is you updating the order status to completed because payment has been made, packaging has been done, then customer is free to go with the item. Then after that, our last step is you send a follow-up message for feedback and reviews. That is the end of our flow chart for our order processing business.